Irish Street Reno, week 146. My name's Adam. Thanks for tuning in. This week is all about backsplash tile in the kitchen, so let's get going. This week starts out by returning back to Colorado from Indiana. It was fun seeing Oppenheimer, but back to work. On Saturday, I head up to Georgetown to run the Georgetown to Idaho Springs half marathon. I'm going to run this with my buddy Miguel and my buddy Omar. It was the first half marathon I've done in quite some time, and I ended up setting a PR. I ran a 1:26 half, actually like a 1:25:30, but anyways, really great time, really happy with it. After the half marathon, headed to Floor & Decor to try and pick out some kitchen tile backsplash. I was really liking this black herringbone tile, but as you can see, it's pretty dark. So what I'm trying to determine here is it actually too dark for the kitchen? Obviously, the dynamic range of these photos isn't great, but I was just putting these up against the wall at night to see what I thought. In the end, I decided that herringbone was too dark, so I went back to Floor & Decor, and I'm settling on this gray tile. I think it's going to be a good compromise, and I really like this vertical offset pattern. So that's what I go with. I get a bunch of tile for my bathtubs, for my shower, and for the kitchen, and that's where I'm going to start, in the kitchen. I start by cutting the hole for the pot filler, and that's going to be my center line for this kitchen backsplash. Once I get that cut, I put that one up first, and there's my center line for the whole backsplash. And that's going to be it for today. On Monday, more of the same, just trying to get as much of this backsplash in as I can. I close out the week by doing a little bit more work on the kitchen backsplash. Things are going well. It's going to take me into next week to finish up, but that's all for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week.